So hello everyone, a big hello from Dubai again. This is regarding the controversy that's going on in Goa about foreign tourist arrivals dropping. So here's my two bits on it. I don't think overall tourist drop in arrival has happened. However, having said that, there could be many things added to make it easier for foreign as well as Indian tourists to come to Goa. Just my two bits. First of all, it's the visa situation. I've had so many friends, Russians, English, Americans, Germans, French, you name it, and they've all had a problem getting a visa from the Indian embassies. Even today, I've had two Russians call me, and Russia is supposed to be a friendly country of India. These two Russians were stopped at the airport, and they were really harassed. This doesn't bode well for Indian foreign tourist arrivals. The second part is Goa is extremely busy. So us trying to say somebody's overcharging and the hotel's overpriced, that doesn't make economic sense. It's just plain, simple supply and demand. Hotels are expensive because demand is huge. So that itself shows us that tourism in Goa is not dropping. There's many other things I would add to this, but sometimes I get targeted by people who have a vested agenda or just plain jealous. For instance, Tito's is now in Dubai, and Tito's is doing phenomenal parties in Dubai. Plus, we're doing software, plus we're doing a host of other businesses, including trading, etc. The only reason we're in Dubai is because we're expanding the brand. I'm not in Dubai because I've disowned Goa or disowned India. India is still going to be the next 15 years the fastest growing economy on the planet. It would be stupid to ignore India and Goa. So for all of you, I say, build your brand, go out into the world, showcase India and Goa, and that's how we all succeed. Another word of, advice to our press. If you diss your own country and you say Goa's bad and Thailand's better and Indonesia's better and blah, 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 everyone is better than Goa. That is the height of anti-nationalism. It doesn't get worse. Think about what you're doing as well. So what Mr. Rowan County, Honorable Tourism Minister said is right. Certain things we have to keep to ourselves. Not everything. Because obviously if we don't speak up, things won't get better. But the way things are being depicted in the press, that everything's bad, everything's negative, this itself is ridiculous. Not only is it anti-national, it's also sending the wrong message to investors who then stupidly put their money in a country that's not going to make them money. Whereas India and Goa is going to make you big money. So think well and think deep before you and we and me or any of us make any statement. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.